Hey guys, it's Jordan JR, the Tech Reviewer, and I have a different video for you today. I'm going to be using, for the very first time, one of these. It's a double-edged safety razor, and it's actually, it's going to be my first time using this, and I'm just going to go through the process of what it is for a beginner to start using one of these, because this is my first time, never used this before. So we're just gonna go through this. It's not really tech, but it is kind of cool, so figured I'd do a little video for it. All right, guys, let's see. Hey guys, I kind of messed up. I didn't show you guys how to actually put this thing on. The blade. This is me after the shave, by the way. It went amazing. It was very smooth. You guys will see. Anyhow. So what you do, you have your razor here, you have your blade, and you want to hold it at the edge, like on the edges here, not at this side. And yeah, you simply kind of put it over like that, and then you just twist it down like that. And it bends it a bit, pushing it up and helping it to keep concise at that angle. And it shaves amazingly. Anyhow, sorry, I didn't show that in the video. I squeezed about, I don't know if you can see, like that, like maybe about a dime. They say that you're supposed to put a dime in, or that amount. Oh, I hope it didn't move too much here. Yeah, I hope that's okay. All right, yeah, oh, whoa. And I don't know, I got like this thing set up. It's kind of weird. Okay, so yeah. This has been soaking for a bit now, so I'm just going to empty this out. You can see it's a lot wet. And now you just kind of want to start making your soap. So I'm just agitating this dime amount in here. Yeah, I put a bit too much water, I feel like. All right, let's see. Yeah, that looks a bit wet. Say that you're just supposed to keep going and going and going until it starts to get really soapy. And you can see it's starting to get kind of soapy there. You can see that. This is my first time, so, you know, everything is new. Everything is new with this. We got a good lather going here. It's actually starting to turn quite nice. Okay, and I'm just going to lather it on. You can see I got about like half an inch, what am I saying, quarter inch hair growth. And I'm just going to start lathering it on quite a bit, actually. It feels amazing. I feel like I need a bit more. Actually, no, I'm just going to keep going because you never know with this. It could just pop up. Yeah, I think I'm going to need more. There's no way that's enough. I had to fast forward that. It was a long time, too long. Okay, I actually have quite a bit more cream here, but I'm just gonna set that down in there. Keep this sink a bit wet. Clog this back up. Just kind of put that back. This is a great cream. It smells very nice. I can't explain it. It's like a slight hint of mint, but I can't even feel it. It's just very soothing. It's a very soothing cream. So here we go. This is going to be the first pass with the, let me draw my hand off. I got a bit of stuff from the brush here. First pass with the safety razor. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it feels amazing. Wow. What an amazing feeling. Oh, wow. What an amazing, this is a change. I can't believe it. Wow, oh, it feels so good. It's like I'm barely even shaving. And you can control the pressure, you can, what an amazing, like I don't think I can get right through that. The good thing is you can switch it and get a really, this is amazing. Really quite, just following the jawline here. Now, oh my gosh. What a difference. I've been using non-safety razors all my life. This is my first time. I've never felt a shave so smooth. I can feel I got a little nick, but you know, it's my first time. I'd be surprised if I didn't have a little nick, but honestly, this is one of the best shaves I've ever had. And you can feel when you're getting thin. Like you can feel when you're getting close. All right, let me start on the other side so you guys can see. I don't know if you can see that. It goes right through, and it's extremely painless. Extremely painless. You guys probably see I have a little nick right here, but it doesn't feel that bad. It's actually very, very nice, surprisingly. Like I can't feel it, so. And I'm just going with the grain. Just with the grain. Just with the grain. Cross the grain right there. Like, I'm gonna, and you flip it, and you get a few more passes. That's the other thing with this razor. Like, the old way before this for me was I'd have a single edge to deal with, but this one you can flip it and you can get a few more passes with the same same angle. And you just kind of simply let the razor do the job. It's very smooth. Obviously, this is the first time with this blade before, but it's actually incredibly smooth and non-painful. I thought, I didn't think it would be this nice. Let me just say it like that. One thing you got to keep in mind, and I think what I messed up on here and here, is I haven't been stretching the skin. And you want to assist with a bit of a face stretch. Let me see what I have to work with here. Okay, a few more pieces. Oh yeah, I gotta. And it's pretty close. I'm going with the grain. To be very careful on this this edge here. The way I can explain it is you simply let the blade do the work. You just kind of drop it. And as you feel you need control, you take a bit more, you give it a bit more of an angle. And you can see how long those hairs are that it's going right through. This is 3-4 weeks of hair. And it's going to take a bit of getting used to on these lower angles. I'm going to go across the grain. You can see I really didn't do too good on the lower half. And I feel like it's because I was already very, very close down there. Alright, so I'm going to go, I'm going to go against the grain this time. You really have to have a sense of control. Well, one thing's for sure. Oh my goodness. So smooth. Look how close it gets. And you can really kind of it feels very close. And I'm just gonna wash this off here. Okay. And you can see, look at how close it got. And how smooth that was. I can't fully explain it. It's something you really have to try for yourself. It's incredibly smooth, and it felt very painless. Now, of course, I've rubbed off all the cream, but I got this. You want to get it kind of under the hair as you're doing this. I heard the guy on Razor Emporium, I might watch his videos, and Mr. Clean, is saying you want to get it under the hair and then smooth it after. And I like that method. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the mustache and wash this off a bit. And that's an amazing pass. You guys can see, I hope, how, if I could zoom in, I don't know. It's very smooth. Very smooth. Look at that. Gone. Gone. And you can see I didn't really cut up that area. Maybe I did a bit there, but like very smooth. That's all I can say. It's very smooth. Okay, and that's pretty much that for this shave. Now I'm just gonna wash my face off. Where's my towel? Where's the towel? Oh, there it is. Okay. All right, there you go. Let's see if we got any more. That's a bit right there. I did miss a few places. You really gotta watch the angle. But it's incredibly smooth. It's very, 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 very nice. No irritation as you shave, but you feel more controlled. You have to be very controlled. The other one, I'm trying to get it to cut, but I couldn't. Sometimes it cuts, sometimes it doesn't. And I can say that because I was actually, let me pull it out here. I was using something like this yesterday. It wasn't quite this one, I don't know where it went to. It's a Mach 3 essentially. I use a Schick one as well. And you really have to, get it going. But this one, it's smooth, it's controlled. Imagine me holding it like that. Like, it would barely do anything. You'd really have to, you got to get in there with these things. But this guy, extremely controlled and very nice, very nice. The design's nice. The feeling with shaving with it is more controlled. You feel more in control, And we just do that area up there, Usually you got those little stray hairs in that area, but it's very nice and easy to work with. Once you get the angle down, I think everything is very smooth. And honestly, I don't think I'm going to be switching back. As if I can control it. Obviously, there's going to be scenarios in the airport and I don't have this with me, or something where when I need to have something like this. But when I can, I think this is much better. And yeah, it's just a first timer's look at how to shave with a butterfly valve double-edged razor. I hope I helped someone out there, and please comment down below if you see anything that you want to share, and yeah, maybe I can make another video, and please put some suggestions down below. I know this isn't tech, but it's just something that I enjoy, and I wanted to look at. I want to look into it. It's kind of a new thing for me, at least, and it's old, but it's new. So thank you guys. Thank you for all your comments, and please subscribe. Please subscribe. Help us to get more views, and hopefully you can help someone else by sharing this video. God bless you guys, and I hope you had an amazing day. Peace. This is JR, the Tech Reviewer, signing off. Have an amazing day. Okay. Catch you next time. God bless.